Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be slightly different than normal. I'm going to be going over my goals for this YouTube channel in 2026 and give you a quick little update on the Solstice and the Stinger. So first off, I hope you guys had a wonderful holiday and a happy new year. I know I did. I was able to visit my family, spend time with them, and kind of relax. So it was very nice to do that. So first off, the reflection of 2025. Thank you guys so much for 113 subscribers in 2025. I was not expecting to get over 100. Just didn't think it would attract that many people, but thank you guys so much for sticking around, supporting me, subscribing, and seeing the builds on these cars. For my 2026 goals, my first goal is I want to upload 26 videos at a minimum this year. That is about a video every other week. If I'm able to produce more videos, if I say I grow more and I'm able to produce more videos, I will definitely do that, but at least I want to do at least 26 videos in 2026. Hey, 26 and 26. My second goal is I'm aiming for 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2026. My third goal is to upload one video a week or 52 videos on my TikTok. If you guys want to follow that, there's a link in the description to that, or I'll put my @ right here if you want to look me up. That won't be car related probably. It'll be just things that I kind of want to tinker with, or if I do something for the house improvement for my house, I kind of want to post there to grow as well. And then my fourth and final goal is I want to complete the build on the Pontiac Solstice. I want to fix the way everything is so it's perfectly fine so my wife can enjoy it without having any issues, and then hopefully, possibly get a new car, start a new build on. But the main thing is finishing the build on the Solstice. So those are my goals. If you guys have any goals that you want to share, feel free to share in the comments. I would love to read those and know what's going on with all of you guys. For updates on the vehicles, so first I'll start with the Solstice. If you guys saw the most recent video, I had fixed the emissions leak problem on it, but now I'm having a new check engine code, which is P0449. That is just, there's a current issue from computer is noticing, so I'm working on fixing that now. I'm changing wires, redoing soldering. I might change some pins here, but if you guys want to see a video, let me know. I'm probably not going to do a video. I'll just update with a comment on the last video of kind of what I did to fix it, if I can fix it, that is. But yep, that's the update for the Solstice. Now for the Stinger, I had a comment when I installed the side skirts in the front splitter from, I think it's Harodin, but he was asking, he wanted an update on the side skirts about how they would hold up with the plastic being so thin, whether or not it would bend or not. But right now, I'd say it's staying fairly straight. The only issues that it is deviating from, the straightness would be where they are supposed to overlap, because there's nothing that really holds them well in place. So I will be looking into a solution for that. I don't know whether or not plastic welding or some sort of adhesive to hold it together, or tape. I'm not quite sure. I need to do some research. But besides that, front splitter perfectly fine, holding up really well. Those side skirts are holding up well, just like I said, where they are supposed to overlap, they are kind of straying from each other. That's a little bit caused by the heat, but that was also caused, especially on the driver's side, where my foot keeps hitting the side skirt when I get in and out of the car. That's the update for the Solstice and the Stinger. If you had any questions about those, which I didn't cover, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer it the best I can in a timely fashion. But anyway, thank you guys so much for sticking with me in this channel in 2025 and going forward. Thank you for subscribing, supporting, all those great things. It means a lot to me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.